In front of me is HONOR Pad X8a, and today I would like to show you how you can apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading free app called Magic Fluids Light Fluid Theme. When it's ready, launch it. Then to mute the music, click at Note icon at the bottom left corner. Then select Consent in the pop-up. Click on this gear at the top left corner and operate all of those options however you wish to. When you finished, click at the bottom right corner, choose Set as Live Wallpaper and hit Yes. Now tap on Apply and wait. So when I go back, as you can see, my wallpaper was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!